Now turn up.
What's up, gorgeous people? It's Subscription Box Saturday, and in today's video, I have for you Grandma in a Box. And yes, again, if you didn't catch my BoxyCharm video, don't adjust your screen. My hair is purple. I'm just having some fun with some wigs that I got from Amazon. So without further ado, let's see what we got in this month's box. Okay, guys, so here's my box. There's their packaging. Got the little Gramma logo, says Grandma in a Box, and it wraps all the way around their box. Let's see what's inside. All right, I was really curious what they're going to send for January. So here's what the inside looks like with their red polka dot or tissue paper. Let's pop it open. Ba-boom. Woo! Okay, guys, I want to show you how it looks before I take stuff away. So this is what it looks like. I can show you before I take anything away from it. And I just wanted to take this part off here to give you guys a little glimpse. We have some nice pastel-y colors for the icing. So I'm kind of curious what they got going on. Okay, so January, send Grandma in a Box to your Valentine. Oh, that's cute. So you can save $5 on a 3-month, 6-month, or 13-month prepaid subscription. You have to order by February 5th, 2021, and you have to use code LOVE5. Well, that's pretty cool. So I'm sure I'm going to pop this up on the screen for you guys. So I don't know why I'm showing it to you now, but I will definitely pop this up on the screen for you guys and let you know about this deal if anybody's interested in this box. Okie dokie then. So for our first project, we have donut pops. Oh, these look so adorable, guys. Oh my gosh, that is going to be awesome. So I'm just going to go ahead and go to the second project, which is cupcake clouds. Ooh, that sounds interesting. And then the third project is donuts and cupcake cookies. So all the supplies that we need for everything is right in here. So I will just do a quick little show of what we got here. So we have the icings in 3 different colors. We have the blue, the pink, and the white icing for when we decorate our cookies. We have some marshmallows. And then we have a little plethora of sprinkles, all different kinds. You can decide what you want to use. And then we have a Rice Krispie Treat cereal. Ooh, and we also have these little cupcakey things for the cupcakes, I'm guessing. That also provided the sticks for the lollipops that we're going to be making. And we have some Fruit Loops cereal. Yay! And then we have the melting chocolate. It looks like it's orange and white this time. So that's what they sent to us here. And then, of course, we have the cookies. So we have a couple of different sizes this time. So we have this little small package of cookies. And we have the bigger package of cookies. So that should be a lot of fun, guys. And they always do, I always forget to mention this, but they always include the liners in with their little projects. So this looks like it's going to be a lot of fun and delicious. So without further ado, let's start making this stuff. Okay, guys, for this first project, you're going to need some melting chocolate, Rice Krispie Treats, Fruit Loops, microwave safe bowl, a spoon, and some lollipop sticks. So I'm going to take the melting chocolate and I'm just going to pour it right into the bowl, heat it up for 30 seconds, stir 30 seconds and stir it again, and this is what it looks like. So now I'm just going to plop a little dollop of this, chocolate onto this wax paper, take my little lollipop stick, swirl it around so that it's completely covered. Then I'm just going to add the Fruit Loops, and you're supposed to do this like a flower, guys. And I really was confused as to what you're supposed to do with the Rice Krispie Treats. So I just kind of start sticking them in at the end, and it looks really stupid. So I do several of them, different ways, because I think they're supposed to look like flowers, and this looks like a flower, and I would suggest not putting same colors beside each other like I did, but whatever. I mean, these projects are made for kids to do with you, so you can really do whatever you want. And if you send pictures into the Grandma in the Box place, just tell them your kids made it. Don't admit that you put this together. I'm just saying. So anyways, this is what the first one turned out like. So you're going to see me blow through the rest of them. And I just do a couple of different designs on them because, like I said, I really wasn't sure what the Rice Krispie Treats were for because it didn't really specify. So I tried doing some different things with them because I thought it might taste better with those in there. But honestly, it didn't really make a difference either way. So these ones are ready to roll. Let's move on. Okay, so for this next one, you're going to need some sprinkles, some cupcake liners, marshmallows, and the rest of your melting chocolate. So the first thing you're going to do is pop open your marshmallows and you're going to dump those into the melting chocolate. Now, they just say to make sure that they're like all coated in some way, shape, or form, but I wanted to make sure they were all orange because that's what they looked like in the picture they provided to me. So I think that's what they're supposed to look like. So then I go ahead and I get all of my liners ready to go, and then I just start plopping spoonfuls of the marshmallow mix here into the little cups. And as you can see, I am just a total train wreck here. I mean, honestly, anytime I make something, it's a total mess. So, but you know, as long as it tastes good, it's totally fine. So anyways, I just continue putting all these into the cupcake liners. Then the next step is just to put the sprinkles on top, guys. And then this project is ready to roll. I put these in my hot cocoa and it works out really well. Okay, so for this last one, we're going to work on the cookies. So you're going to need your sprinkles, icing, and then obviously the cookies themselves. So you guys can do whatever design you want here. I've already got my icing ready to go. I've kneaded it as much as I possibly could and cut the tips off. So I don't know why I started doing it like this, but you need to outline the cookies first, and then you flood the inside of the cookies however you see fit. I always use the tip of the bag, but honestly, the best thing for something like this is to use a toothpick. So I suggest not doing it the way that you're seeing me do this right here, because this is like not very effective. And for some reason, the icing consistencies are different every single time I get these packages. It's like some of them transport well, some of them don't, because when I use the white is a good consistency where this pink one was not. So I'm just gonna go ahead and stick some sprinkles on the top. They're supposed to be like donuts is the theme of this whole thing, and cupcakes. So these ones are supposed to be cupcakes, so I'm just gonna do like a white cupcake icing on the tops of all of the cupcake ones, and then I'll just add some sprinkles to all of those, and that's what I'm going to do for those. And then obviously I will finish up, you know, doing the donuts however I want to do the donuts. I don't know how to say that. So here's me just flooding the white. Now see how much better the white is flooding for me than the other one did? I don't know. It just looks a lot better than the pink one. So then I just plop some of those sprinkles on there. And then you're going to see me do like a cupcake liner looking thing on the bottoms of these. So I just do blue stripes. And then the little ones, I go ahead and decide to do pink stripes. And then the blue ones I fill in with the pink. And then obviously I will fill the little ones in with the blue. We're gonna call it a day. This is totally done, and this is what they look like. Woo! Okay, guys, so I mean, they turned out okay. My treats never turn out that cute, guys, like ever. And I always say I decorate cookies. I honestly do. And I know it doesn't look like I do, but honestly, guys, if I could just have my own icing that I make and not this icing that has been shipped, I think that they would look a lot better. At least I would hope so. But there you go, guys. This is such a fun little box. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let's move on to final thoughts. Okay, guys, so that wraps up my Gramma in a box for the month of January. I love this box. It is so super fun. And you get 3 projects. You make some delicious, fun treats. A lot of people probably make them with their kids, but my kid is not old enough to do that yet, so I just make the treats, and he's really not into eating them either, so I make them and I eat them. Whatever works, right? So if you guys are interested in this box, don't forget to use that code LOVE5 to get $5 off of a 3-month, 6-month, or 12-month subscription. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will catch you in my next one. Bye! What's up, gorgeous people? Subscription box Saturday. All right. Okay, guys, so that was my Gramma in a box for the month of January. Let's try it again. And if you're interested in the Gramma in a box, make sure you jump over to their website. Use that code that I showed you in... Yeah, try it again. I absolutely love this box. It is so super fun. I get 3 projects. Wow. Well, that sucked. Oops. Am I recording?